That's my new flannel I got from Aunt Sherry. Okay, Aunt Sherry for Christmas. This is Aunt Linda. I'm starting a video now that will make a story and make some more sense in a little bit. There's Mom. Ocean Beach, spur of the moment. We're going on a family adventure. Cruises in a day or so. This is going to be wild. You're going to enjoy this video today. So we just finished a wonderful lunch. Lots of leftovers. And this is the table I sat in when I was 2 years old, apparently. Rumor has it these are my teeth marks right here. I would chew on the table in my anticipation for the wonderful food coming. All right, let's get some board shorts for the cruise here while we're down here. Look at this cool old town. Ocean Beach, California. I know it's windy out, so the audio's garbage, but that's the Ocean Beach Pier. Lots of memories out there. Our family. Cool little beach town. Fun to be back for a few minutes. Okay, this is going to be an unconventional portion, but I wanted to get back to our scrap masters and just show you, yes, I am camped out before I present the quilt, having a quick cup of coffee and just kind of gathering my thoughts and all my stuff, and I didn't want to miss out my time with you. But yes, I did come down to San Diego. I found out that my uncle's health is not fantastic, and so the best thing for a person that is in recovery is to have a quilt. And so I'm leaving on the Patriot Cruise with the Combat Quilter and the Quilting Marine in just a day or so from now. And I just really didn't have the time. I'm about 6 hours, 7 hours from home, half packed. And I just really felt the need. If you saw my videos a few months ago talking about quilting and friendships and relationships, I had another front pass and I didn't get the opportunity to say goodbye. Full advantage of it. So I apologize for the Friday video. Obviously not alive, but I wanted to make sure that you could all enjoy the Scrap Masters. So I'm gonna spin the camera back around and show you my block from last week, right? We did block number 3 and it was 4 colors and I had a lot of fun doing it. It was obviously easier just to use big squares instead of the small scrappy squares and everything. So let's go ahead now and do our roll for the week. Okay, I've got the die with me. I brought the color wheel. I brought the patterns. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the official roll right now for Scrap Masters Week 3. I am so excited for all of you that have brought your blocks to life. And I've got the show and tell for you all here as well. But boom, okay, here we are. All right. We are working on block number 1. And boy, that sure worked out easy because I'm organized with stack block number 1. Fun star blocks. So you're going to make 4 of those H units, 4 of the F units, and 1 of the A. Don't forget, if we get a high roll, you might want to make that out of 2.5-inch squares instead of the 4.5-inch. Okay, so now let's spin our color wheel and see what color we're going to work on this week. I don't want to be blamed for any distractions over here. Ready? Spinning the color wheel. Looks so cool on camera. Ooh, it's a liner. Oh, and my blade was open, but I'm saying it's a little more on the red than the orange. So I'm calling it red. I'm putting the blade away. So yes, we are on block number 1. We have the red color family for the week number 3. And here's the big money roll. Here we go. Looking for high numbers, high numbers, high numbers. Give me a high number. Well, it's not a low number, it's a 5. And you can do that. So folks, that's 5 different fabrics, 5 different fabric choices, or if you will remember the first rule of Scrap Masters, there are absolutely really no rules. This is all a fun way to just randomly create blocks or ideas, so we'll have stuff to sew on with our scraps all week. So enjoy block number 1 in the red family. Use roughly 5 fabrics if you like. And thank you so much for sewing along with me. It has been so much fun. And check out all of these awesome blocks that came in just this week. finish off my coffee. And I also want to let you all know, because we are doing so many awesome cruises, we've got a new fun one. If you like a little bit shorter and a little bit less expensive route, don't forget to check out the Stitchin at Sea. October, and it has one less port of call, so it's not as expensive of a cruise as we often go on the big long cruises. So you might want to check that out. It's going to be really cool. My friend Heidi Pridemore is the instructor. She's from the Whimsical Workshop, and I'm sure most of you have used one of her patterns in the past, and it's just really awesome. So anyways, check that out. That's just now been posted up online. Don't forget about the April 19th virtual sew along with yours truly. Here will be checkered star. It's going to be super fun, and wish me luck. I am heading out. That's right, we are going from Miami all the way down to the Bahamas, Jamaica, Haiti. It's going to be an incredible trip. We've got a sold out cruise, 80 of us going on the Patriot Cruise next week. So Mark, Andrew, I'm looking super forward to seeing you all. I cannot guarantee that next Friday we'll have a live. I'll do my best, but I will be at sea. So what I'll do is I will make sure that I do, if nothing else, a roll and spin little quick video that I can post through the internet when we have a port of call somewhere. So if nothing else, like today, I will have a recorded video for our Scrap Masters, those of you who are sewing along and enjoying it. If you haven't joined the Scrap Masters, check out the free patterns. They're right down in the link below. Got a truck we're driving by, so I guess it's time to say adios, amigos.